Oh yeah, it's a sunny day. It's 11:30, a little bit late start for me for this kind of thing, but I said, hey, let's do it. Obviously there's a shadow. So what did we throw in there today? We got one of those Johnsonville Hatch chili brats right there. That's the top of the jar, top of the crock pot, lid cover, 2 portobello stuffed mushrooms, and 2 jalapeno cream cheese filled pepper poppers wrapped with applewood smoked bacon. I said, hey, I better do something, and if I'm going to do something, that takes a couple hours. Well, this stuff only takes about an hour. It's not chicken or like pork tenderloin. And since we can have fires and I have my grill set up, master set up, you see the smaller one in there? No garbage goes in there. You know, all the garbage, the packaging of food and stuff, paper and stuff gets burnt over there. See, there's a Capri Sun package, those foil ones. So I keep that separate. And see how I got rocks there that holds my grill? Yeah, that's how we do it. Charcoal goes in there, only charcoal. Charcoal only, nothing else. And occasionally, to get the charcoal going, I might use some small twigs or some needles. I'll stuff some pine needles like within the charcoal because it's not matchlight charcoal. Got it? And I don't use lighter fluid or gasoline, or sometimes I might use rubbing alcohol, but that stuff just burns up right away. But it does create heat. You need heat and air, wind, to have a fire. So, and this is vented really nice. This turned out really good. The breeze usually blows in this direction. Not always, but usually. Right now it's kind of coming from over there. It changes. We're at 7,450 feet right now. 7,450 feet right now. We have a lizard that has made his home in here, and when I'm cooking, he comes out. He adjusts his temperature accordingly. Right now the sun's out. Usually he'll hang out on this rock right here, but I see it's got a little bit of carbon on it from yesterday, so he might not like that one right now. But he's been hanging out on these 2 rocks, usually in the broad daylight right now. But I'm filming, so he might not. Plenty of wood. I went wood hunting yesterday. I go way out there and throw it into the next level, and then go in there and throw it into the next level, and eventually it's just like all scattered in this area, and eventually put it all back into a pile again. We usually get an afternoon rain about 3 o'clock or so. I do love it out here, no doubt. I just wish I could have every day of the year, every month of the year be like this month. I would be very content and happy. But it snows up here. No different than being in Wisconsin, right? Yeah. At least it's not as bad. And there's always really cool, itty bitty tiny flowers. Let's see if we can get one up front here. There we go. Yeah. They're tiny. Dude, look at my thumb, you know? And they just kind of lay on this high altitude desert floor. As for cactus, I have not seen any species of cactus here. I'm trying to think. I think I did see a cholla down in the road. I haven't seen a barrel cactus. It's kind of rare on this particular part of the Gila, but they are out here. There's higher populations in higher areas where they flourish. Just like there's higher populations of oak trees in some areas than there isn't. These oaks are anywhere from 3 feet to 5 feet tall, 6 feet tall, which is amazing. But I don't see any granddaddy oaks. All I see that's old and survived are the tall pine trees. So the oaks must have burnt out in a big fire a long time ago. But thankfully they repopulated. It's really weird. It's like, how did these get here? There's no big oak trees. It's cool. Life is awesome. Let's see what's going on here before I close this out. Oh geez, the cheese is already starting to melt. Look at that. Oh yeah. Cheese is starting to melt already. Oh gee, the brat's actually starting to turn brown already. It's only been 5, 6, 7 minutes. Crazy. Alright, good. Alright, you guys take care. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, have a good one. Just enjoy.